Hello guys, welcome to the Shadeb FX. Hope so your trading journey is going to well. Today I will review a Propfirm named Forexive. And basically there are some benefits of using this Propfirms, and this video is just for educational purpose. I am not any financial advisor. Please keep it in mind and do your own research then start trading. So in this video, I will explain these points like introduction to the Propfirms, their reviews on Trustpilot, and they also listed on the trusted Propfirms and payouts also. Then I will explain evolution rules. They offer on-demand payouts and no consistency rules on two-step pro, which is a positive point, and it is a boosting point about a new trader. Price is lowest in the industry. What social media says, there is no complaint about on social media. You can also check. If you find, then comment below so that I also research about this. No payout denials now. And talking about trading condition, I also tried, and I will show their trading dashboard also, and my trade execution also. So I put some trades. So their customer service is also great, and they are cooperative. So let's start and move to the next part of the video. So please watch full video, and if you find any confusion or anything, then please comment so that I also make about this point of profile. And also that there is some suggestions or anything you can put on Discord. But you can see there is the payout to proof of 8/4/2025 on demand payout under 1 hour, and they also saying about this from challenge to payout in 24 hour. They are also payout proof, so that's a good point. And this is the dashboard look. You can see that I have two-step standard account, and on two-step pro you can pay out on demand, and I also execute some trading. So you can check that their reviews also 59 and rating 4.4, which is a good rating. I bought an account today on Saturday. I got the account and then zero balance and ending rate is 200 years later is a system glitch. Oh, yeah, that's common that some profiles have some issues, but as they are working, so that's not enough. They had experience about it with Forex profile also, so what customer service is both. So they have also a good and positive reviews on Trustpilot. Another positive thing about this profile, the trusted profile, they are listed and rating about 4.8, and 59 plus users gives them review of trusted trading condition. MetaTrader 4 5 withdrawals, crypto wire payment. Here are all things mentioned on the trust wallet. You can also visit about Trustpilot and see all things. Here are the FAQs and general rules. So I will explain and them shortly. So there is a refundable fee. The evolution fee will be refundable at 120% after 30 days from the start of the first fund account. So at first payout on standard, if you use two-step standard account, you will get refund on demand payout on two-step pro. This is for two-step pro account. All leverage is if you choose standard then 100, and if you choose saving then 130. And minimum trading days two step pros, no minimum trading days, to no minimum trading days, and no any other standard conditions. So daily drawdown two step pro is 5% and 10%. I suggest you that you try their two step pro, which is also a good features, and they recently launched this. So 4% profit on phase 2, and phase 1 8% profit. They also have loyalty points. You can more check about the details here. Forexive.com category FAQ minimum trading days 3, evolution 3 step, phase 1 3 minimum trading days, phase 2 3 minimum trading days. This is for 2 step, sorry 3 step. So there are the different rules for every step. Here you can read about in details. One step challenge account, two step. Please, when you buy challenge from any platform, then please read about these rules, so in future you do not face any issue. So this is you can also join their affiliate program also, which is a good point. So there now let's move to their prices also. And now I recently previously I explained that they offer on demand payouts and have no written consistency rules, so they have no consistency rules. So now let's move to their prices that on different challenge accounts. Here you can scroll and sign up also. uh, Here the prices that for one step 25, they start from 2500. So if you are small then you can also join for, and the prices are $49, and they also have running if you use my real link, or I will provide in the my telegram and social media account. So if you want to try then you can also try this, there is no issue. And their drawdown is 3% for daily and maximum 6% on forex live account also. So for two step, 25k dollar classic count, they have 149, which is also affordable and nice price. For three step, 25k $1,000, $119. Phase two, phase three, and I want to try this pro. Then start 25k dollar. The price is 187. So if you use discount code, then you will get around $120 at ETC. So they have a good thing, they have 12% drawdown. So many group firms have just 10%, but they offer 12%, which is also a good thing for a new trader. So these are their prices, which are the affordable and lowest. And about social media, you can search and see there is no complaint about these, no payout daniels now. So now FAQ done, and their discord, you can also join discord and see that they have many payouts, people are getting paid. Here you can see there's no issue. About the dashboard and trade execution, so I trade, my minimum trading days is one, total trades two, and lots 2.5. There is no lot restrictions also on this profile, you can use any lot, there is no issue. Just you manage the risk also. So here is the check profit, I made $6. And here you can see the details, close date, euro usd pi. Here separate is also good and nice, there is no much, but they have some commission cost. There is, it's okay because they have zero separate on euro usd. I also share on my telegram group. So here are the look of dashboard. Here you can see, you can check your account details, anything. And here the withdraw options, certificate, download, leaderboard. So their dashboard look is also good and quite nice. So hope so you like my video. I will see you in the next video. If you need any help about this profile, then comment below. I will try to engage you and will help you. Allah Hafiz.